He's done altitude training. He's done space training. Space altitude training is a different ball game. I held him like this. I caught him to my chest and I said, "तुझे वहाँ नहीं, यहाँ आना है."
Takes a shower and straight into the gym. Everybody is just looking at him.
He will break Sachin's 100 record, man. 100 international hundreds. He'll break that. Can you imagine?
Varada, tell me something about Virat Kohli, RCB skipper, that is really striking. Like the one thing that you'll notice about the man when you meet him for the first time.
Intensity. There is nobody who plays this game with more passion and more commitment and more intensity and more dedication than Virat Kohli. Nobody. Anyone comes and tells me anything, and here I look. Virat Kohli is the only fellow who, after this match, maybe will go to the gym. He's a bit crazy, not bit, tremendously crazy. I will not see that in anyone else, and that's him. That's him. He has taken his fitness to a different level. He's done altitude training. He's done space training. Space altitude training is a different ball game. Okay, he's done all that. He doesn't compete with cricketers. He competes with Bolt, Ronaldo, Messi, and that league. He calls himself an international sportsman, so I have to aspire to that. So that's his league. And he tells every time, I mean, every time we have met and every time we joke with each other. And I'm like, don't start. Don't give me that guilt. Don't start. And that is Virat Kohli. I mean, there is, see, that fellow is a huge plus for cricket. Huge plus for cricket. Whether he gets runs one day or doesn't get runs, forget about all that nonsense. He's a genius. Anyone says anything, he's a genius. Anyone who has got 70 international hundreds at the age of 31, oh, he will break Sachin's 100 record, man. 100 international hundreds. He'll break that. Can you imagine? 100 hundreds. Score one, then we will know.
And Boryada, I'll tell you a story. We were playing India. I think you know about this. We were playing India A versus Australia A in Chennai when Rahul Bhai was the coach. So Virat Kohli wanted to play a game because before going to Sri Lanka, he wanted to have some match time. So he comes for the second game. He plays and he gets out. I remind you, we were playing in Chennai, and that too, Boryada knows how hot it is there. So he plays there, gets few runs, and unfortunately gets out. He just comes, takes a shower, and straight into the gym. Everybody is just looking at him, like, what is this man up to? That's the commitment he shows. And if you do that in the dressing room as a senior player and as a captain of the Indian team, it makes a lot of difference. It makes a lot of difference.
I'm telling you,
Sure,
I'm telling you, he's mad. I'm telling you. I mean, that Edgbaston day, I've told you this story. I got into the elevator at 10 p.m. after a 14-hour day work. He'd played that match. England, India had lost. And he's carrying some 24 bottles of water into the elevator like this.
yes,
And he looks at me. I've told you this. And I said, "Where are you
yes, you
going?" He
have.
said, "I'm going to the gym." I said, "Are you mad or what?" I mean, he is crazy. He is absolutely crazy. But that's him. Look at the when he was 134 runs of 10 innings in England in 2014. Did anybody think that same man will come back to India and get 400s in Australia in 4 Test matches? 400s. 400s. He went to Sachin Tendulkar. He practiced with Sachin for a week. I keep telling Sachin, tell me what was the discussion, and he will keep doing this. You ask Virat, you ask Virat. But the two of them spent a week together. Finished. That's respect. Unbelievable. And Virat Kohli knows how to respect. You know that story, right? Where he touched Sachin's feet. You guys know that story, right? You don't? Okay.
I don't.
So
Yeah.
Sachin's retirement. Pragyan Oja played that match. Of course he knows. What am I saying? Uh, Sachin's retirement Test match. The match had just finished, and Sachin Tendulkar was sitting on his cricket coffin in that Wankhede dressing room, and these guys, Pragyan and the rest of the boys, had left him alone. And he was actually, I mean, we've reproduced this sort of verbatim and playing it my way. He was sitting there, and he was basically thinking to himself, "It's over. It's done. 24 years, and it's done." That's when Virat Kohli comes to Sachin Tendulkar and says, Virat Kohli wears these threads around his wrist. So he comes, he opens those threads and he says, you know what, Paji, my father, when he was alive, had given me these threads and had said if there was anybody who I think, is actually that level, who I respect like that, I need to give these to that person. And he touches Sachin's feet and gives the threads to him. And Sachin tells me, he says, I just couldn't speak. My voice had choked. I held him like this. I caught him to my chest and I said, Tujhe wahan nahi, yahan aana hai. And for me, and he said, Ab tu ja, because I will start crying. Ab tu ja. And for me, at that instant, the baton passed. The master to the protege. And here was the new master. And if that is not respect, if that is not being the true ambassador for sport, which is why I keep saying Virat Kohli is a great ambassador for sport. I don't know what good for sport anybody can do.
This is beautiful. This is really beautiful.
I was there, and that's when after Virat left, Paji said, "No, this is something I can never keep it. I need to talk to Virat and give this back to Virat." And then we didn't want to enter his space because uh, he had just retired, and when he came back after touching the 22 yards,
Yeah.
he was in tears, and we had never seen him like that. Everybody just left that space. We didn't want to disturb him. uh, it was something, I cannot describe. It was a very different scene out there, and everybody outside, you've seen after that speech, everybody, I think anybody that called me after the game, they were all in tears. The whole nation was in tears. And then this boy goes and gives what his father, before passing away, had given him. So it shows what kind of respect he has for Sachin Paji.
He was telling the Pragyan just said that Sachin was crying. You know where he wrote that speech? Pragyan, do you know where
at
he
the
wrote that speech?
at the venue itself, isn't it? He
Nee,
was
he
just
wrote it.
there.
No. He finished the game, and you guys finished the game in Calcutta in 3 days. Remember, you all had
Yeah.
finished the game. I was supposed to meet him for dinner that day, and the damn game got finished because 3 days Mohammad Shami polished the West Indies off. And it was around 5 p.m. I called Sachin and I'm like, "So shall we meet?" And he's like, "Oh, I've already left for the airport." I said, "What?" And he had left for the airport. He was alone, so he was flying back to Mumbai because he would give himself 2 extra days. So he actually sat on that Indigo flight, and he, by the way, took an Indigo flight. So he got into that flight. There was no lounge in the Calcutta airport, so he got into the airport, and everybody jumped, and he told the security guys that just, is the flight there? I mean, has the flight landed? They said, yeah, the flight is being cleaned. He said, don't worry. If you keep me here, people will kill you. Just put me on that flight and then you clean. So he was put on the flight front seat. 2 seats were blocked. That's where he sat down and he thought, okay, next 2.5 hours, I've got to myself. I don't even know what I'm supposed to say, if I'm supposed to say anything at the end of the retirement test match. So let me put it down. And then he scribbled this big a piece of paper, which we've reproduced in Playing It My Way. He wrote down the points that he'd say in his retirement speech.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This is a brilliant story.
Amazing.
This is really impressive.